open roads and misty hills await. Here we go. Every route is unique, just waiting for us to ride and explore. Different bikes, each perfect for its rider. Some like it red, some like it blue, some like it fast, others not so fast. The M450 offers great value and is packed with features enabling great connectivity. Its streamlined design comes in a range of distinctive colors to match your gear. The perfect screen size provides the best display for all your data in action without compromising your performance. Polar M450 is engineered to keep up with you on every ride. Capture every climb, every route, and every success with utmost precision. Train with the most desirable Polar smart coaching features to measure your performance before, during, and after the ride.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.